guys, for minutes. Yeah, I'm not really that happy. One of my friends backstabbed me after I told her specifically not to do that one thing. But this is the giveaway for the rare spiked wristband. Ow, my hand. Okay, so actually, I'm gonna give away. I'm gonna give away this. I'm gonna give away a spike collar. Not rare, just spiked collar. You okay? No. But yeah, I don't really like respond to messages when I'm doing videos. But yeah. But anyway, like I said, oh my gosh. So yes, you heard it, guys. Only members. Sorry, but only members. Only members. Tell me your username, status, and then done. You got yourself a spike collar to use. Yeah. So giveaway for spike. Actually, this time I'm gonna make a reason. So make a reason this time. If you don't have a reason, that's fine. You'll still be counted in. But why are they singing? Like, yay, I got a buddy. Yeah. Look at their mouths. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. So I tend to click a lot of stuff when I'm doing videos, but yeah. Spike card giveaway. So yeah, spike card giveaway. It ends about like tomorrow, because it's a spike color. So spike card giveaway ends by like tomorrow, I think. Yeah, about tomorrow. But I don't know why my pants are shoveling when like it's gonna keep snowing. And then yeah, it's still snowing. Why would they keep? Yeah, my pants are shoveling. So I'm all alone in the house, home alone. Yay! So yeah, spike card giveaway. Bye. And hopefully at least 2 people enter, so it can be like a contest for once. So yeah, guys. Yeah, I was looking up this so I can like check out my video. I do that sometimes to just recheck my video just in case. But yeah, let me. Yep. So spike card giveaway. Check it. Check it. So yeah, bye.